Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix WhatsApp freezing or lagging inside your mobile phone. So how can you fix that and avoid your lag? So first of all, make sure that you update your WhatsApp from the App Store or Play Store. Just search the WhatsApp application. If you're using WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, make sure to update it to the latest version and try it. But if you still face the issue, so what you can do is like there might be some group chats which are heavily loaded, like you are getting a lot of messages, like hundreds or thousands of messages on daily basis. So you can just let's say that it creates a lot of mess or loss a lot of data inside your mobile phone. So make sure to delete that group chat, remove it. And once you remove that group chat, or you have any channel, don't create any mess, but you can still clear them or leave those channels and leave the group as well and clear the chat. Now there's a possibility that inside your friends chat, like there might be some big or heavy messages or some bug files which are creating this issue to lag your WhatsApp. Delete those files, delete those group chats, and hopefully after that your lag will be fixed inside your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.